see the blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
Alright, today I got a lot to do. It's 1:05 right now. For the past 3.5 or 4 hours, I was over at my grandparents' landscaping for them. The rest of the day looks a little bit like I have to finish an application for a scholarship for University of Iowa, which I'll be attending next fall.
What a wonderful world.
This is my best shot at making a lens cap for this camera. So this is the little hood screw cover. Close. Oh, lens hood mount. It goes on, and I think it's a hood cover. I don't know. But anyway, my plan is to somehow get a piece of this wood in there, and then you can screw this on, and then it'll cover the lens like a lens cover does. It fits. Kind of proud of how it turned out, but here's the moment of truth.
What a wonderful world.
Hey, we made a pizza.
We did make a pizza. Top or bottom?
Top.